Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best GoPro 10 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful action cameras on the market, offering incredible video quality, advanced stabilization, and a rugged design that can handle any adventure you throw at it. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger, a thrill-seeking athlete, or just someone who wants to capture life's moments in stunning detail, this camera is designed to impress with its user-friendly interface and a host of innovative features that make capturing professional-looking footage easier than ever before. Number 5. SmallRig P96 LED Video Light. Introducing a compact and powerful lighting solution designed for creators on the go. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere your creativity takes you. Experience stunningly natural light thanks to its high-quality LED beads. It ensures your subjects are rendered with lifelike color accuracy, perfect for portraits and professional shoots. Adapt to any lighting situation with its wide color temperature range. Easily adjust from warm to cool tones to perfectly match your environment or creative vision. Keep creating without interruption. The built-in rechargeable battery offers hours of continuous use on a single charge, and it's conveniently recharged by USB-C. This light offers incredible flexibility with multiple mounting options. Connect additional units for more powerful lighting or easily attach it to your camera, tripod, or stand. Designed to work with a wide array of cameras and devices, it's your go-to light for vlogging, filmmaking, photography, and live streaming. What we like. This light offers a wide range of color temperatures and high color rendering for natural-looking light. Its multiple cold shoe mounts allow for expandable lighting setups. If you're looking for a versatile light that can adapt to various scenarios and be expanded upon, this is a great choice. What people say. The ULANZI Gopro 10 mount is very sturdy and well-built, providing a secure attachment for the camera. The design allows for easy adjustment of the camera angle, making it versatile for different shooting scenarios. It offers multiple mounting options, which is great for adding accessories like microphones or lights. Number 4. SmallRig 22 Magic Arm Clamp Overhead Phone Mount. Discover the extended flexibility of this 22-inch magic arm, offering a longer reach than standard mounts. It supports up to 600G and features independent angle adjustments for perfect positioning. Experience enhanced stability with its anti-deflection design, ensuring a secure connection. This mount stays put, even with accidental bumps, providing peace of mind for all your creative needs. It boasts 12 anti-slip and anti-scratch features, including silicone pads and rubber rings. This ensures a firm grip on your equipment while safeguarding it from damage. The versatile clamp opens up to 63.5 mm and includes rotatable friction pads. It securely attaches to various surfaces, from desktops to round tubes like tripods. This mount comes with multiple adapters and a phone clamp, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Easily attach your phone, camera, webcam, or light. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it has a recommended load capacity of 600G. For heavier phones, simply adjust the arm's length for optimal performance. What we like. This magic arm provides an impressive reach and highly flexible articulation for precise positioning. Its secure clamping mechanism ensures stability even with heavier gear. If you need to position your camera or accessories in unique overhead or difficult-to-reach angles, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The arm is long and flexible, making it easy to position exactly where you need it, and it holds securely without slipping. Build quality feels solid thanks to the metal construction, and it works great for phones, lights, or small cameras. It's easy to clamp onto my desk, and once it's in place, it feels secure. I've been using it mostly with my phone, and it holds it without any issues. Number 3. ULANZI Go Quick 2 Action Camera Selfie Tripod. Tired of fumbling with screws? Our innovative system lets you connect your action camera in just 1 second. Plus, a reinforced locking pin ensures it stays securely in place. Reach new heights with 7 adjustable levels, extending from 11.53 inches all the way up to 57 inches. Get the perfect shot every time with smooth extension and strong support. This isn't just a selfie stick, it's also a versatile tripod. Simply open the handle, and it transforms into a stable stand with 3 legs, perfect for any surface. Crafted from a blend of ABS and aluminum, it's both lightweight at just 0.73 pounds and incredibly durable. It's the ideal companion for all your outdoor adventures. Designed with action cameras in mind, it comes with a quick-release adapter. This ensures a perfect fit for your favorite action camera. We stand by our quality. If you encounter any issues, our 12-month risk-free service is here to help. Contact us, and we'll resolve your problem within 24 hours. What we like. This selfie tripod boasts a lightning-fast quick-release system for seamless transitions. It extends to an impressive height, offering great flexibility for shots. If you prioritize speed and convenience in setting up your action camera for vlogging or travel, this is an excellent option. What people say. It works very well and it's very long and sturdy. So when you place it on the ground, it does not wobble easily like the other flimsy tripod. Well-designed, portable tripod selfie stick. Extends to the perfect height for eye-level shots on tripod, and great stability for the size of the tripod legs. So easy to go from tripod to selfie stick. Well made, very versatile and very sturdy when on the tripod. Number 2. ULANZI MT71 Tripod Selfie Stick. This versatile accessory can be used as a tripod, a handle, or a selfie stick. It features a universal 1/4 screw and includes an adapter for action cameras, ensuring broad compatibility with most cameras. Reach new heights with its 7-stage adjustable design, extending from 13.38 inches up to 59 inches. This allows for flexible shooting angles and distances to meet all your creative needs. Designed for stability, it includes a tripod lock for secure positioning. The offset center column ensures it stands firm even on uneven surfaces, providing reliable support. Constructed from high-quality ABS, it's both lightweight at just 0.78 pounds and durable. This makes it an ideal companion for all your outdoor adventures, from hiking to skiing. Setting it up is simple. Just rotate the red knob to unfold and lock the legs, then extend the telescopic rod. You'll have a stable tripod ready in seconds. It comes with a quick-release adapter for action cameras, making it compatible with popular models like DJI Pocket 3, Gopro, and Insta360 series. It's ready for any shot you want to capture. What we like. Featuring a magnetic quick-release system, this tripod selfie stick allows for incredibly fast setup. It extends to a substantial height and offers versatile 3-in-1 functionality as a tripod, handle, or selfie stick. If you're a vlogger or content creator who values quick adjustments and multifunctional gear, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The build quality is genuinely excellent. Materials feel durable and solid, and it works exactly as described. The tripod base is stable, the extension feels secure, and it's a great option for vlogging, fixed shots, or standard camera use. Much versatility in a compact package. Using this with a GoPro on a cross-country bicycle trip. Will easily fit in my pannier bag. Selfie stick mode will be used for moving POV shots. The fold-out tripod feet turns the stick into an excellent camera stand that can easily be adjusted for shots near the ground up to eyeball height. The extending reach is great, and I gather great footage from a unique perspective on my adventures. The tripod function does the job just fine, and the adapter on top for most cameras also fits with my recorder, so I can get my microphone exactly where I need it to record music as well. Number 1. ULANZI L1 Pro Waterproof LED Light. Meet the upgraded ULANZI L1 Pro, a cute and completely waterproof light designed for all your adventures. Its enclosed design and magnetic charging solve common issues, making it reliable even underwater. This professional photography light offers a 5500K daylight balance and a 95+ CRI for accurate colors. It's perfect for photography, videography, underwater shots, and even creative lighting in stills. Enjoy powerful illumination with 4 brightness levels and a long-lasting battery. It provides up to 4 hours of light and can even be charged while in use, ensuring you're always ready. Its mini cube size makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into any bag. The built-in 1/420 screw hole allows for easy mounting on cameras, drones, and more. Easily attach it to metal surfaces with its magnetic feature. It also comes with a wide array of accessories to enhance your creative possibilities. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This light is completely waterproof, making it ideal for underwater use or challenging weather conditions. Its magnetic mounting capability allows for easy attachment to metal surfaces. If you need a durable, versatile light for creative shots, underwater filming, or any scenario where water resistance is key, this is the one to get. What people say. Even in broad daylight, it was the difference between dark, dead eyes, and a beautiful little catchlight which made us both look alive. The plethora of modifiers it comes with certainly gives me a ton of ideas. As a photographer, I appreciate the barn doors, the tripod mount, the brightness adjustments, and everything fits in the tote, keeping everything neat and together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.